Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make this Rapunzel topper. I'm using a black background as I want it to look like she's peeking out of her window. So making an arch. I'm using black for this. It's a quite small cake, so I'm just making a very small topper. I'm going to shape it like an arch. And I'm using a dark purple mixed with a little bit of black to make the border for that. I'm using glue to stick it to that arch. Then I'm gonna make a larger base, and for the base of the window, this is where my topper is going to sit. So I'm gonna leave it to dry because that needs to set properly. Then I'm moving on to my actual topper, the body. It's just going to be the upper body, even half of the upper body, as she's going to just put her hands down and looking out of the window. So I've just taken a little bit of skin color fondant and made a body, and now I'm going to make the Rapunzel top. So I'm using a light pink and purple for that. This is for the design. She has a puffy sleeve dress in the movie, so I'm just trying to make that. I'm just alternating the pink and purple strips to make the puffy hand. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of skin color fondant and just roll in and make the hands. I need quite a small bit of hand, so I'm just making the border. It's like and then I am taking a little bit of white and rolling it pretty thin to make a lace, because that's how our dress is. It's quite thin, you don't even need any glue, it's just stick by itself. Let it dry. Then I'm taking a light pink one for the bow in the front of a dress. And the body is ready. Now I'm moving on to the face. This has kind of an oval face, so I'm trying to make it as such. Using the ball tools, make the eyes, and I'm using my fondant tool for this. I put some white in the for the eyes. And I'm going to paint the eyebrows, and I used a little bit of black for the upper lace of the eye. I'm using some tiny black dots with the eyes. and I'm going to paint around it. She has kind of a greenish bluish eyes, so I'm just going to paint around it. Not gonna use fondant for this. Make sure to test your color before you put it in, because if it becomes too dark or too light, there will no way to be changing it after. Moving on to the hair, she has a quite yellow golden hair, so I'm keeping one part of the hair short and the another part which comes around and in front of her and goes all the way outside. So I'm just trying to make that. So I'm doing the hair in parts so that I can make some hair strands which can be flowy and come down on the window base itself. Next, the hands. So the idea is to make one hand resting on the window and another hand on her cheeks, like she is thinking about her dream, and so that's what I'm trying to do here. So I had to take another piece of fondant so that I can adjust the height to where the hand can go, and then I use a toothpick to stick the body to that part. Now I'm just adjusting the hair and so that the hand can go. This is the hand which will rest on the window base. We don't need a toothpick for this because this hand is just going to rest. I'm making some more strands of hair so that it just look a little bit natural, not just one thick strand. And moving on to the next hand, and this is the hand that's gonna be on her cheek. So once I adjust the height, I'm gonna put a toothpick to secure it right onto the base. I'm using some water to stick the palm to the face and adjusting the hair a little bit. Then I'm using some mustard dust to paint the lips and some blush for the cheeks. And adjusting the hair a little bit. Once I'm happy with it, I'm just gonna put it to dry for a while. This is quite a rainy season, so I'm gonna have to leave it overnight to dry. There you have it, a Rapunzel topper for your cake.